So today I'm going to be reviewing the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. So this is a Honda Fit here, 2015 model. And as you can see, because of the long exposure to the sun, some of the plastic trims have been starting to fade. So we're going to apply this, and it's supposed to be lasting quite a few weeks once it's applied correctly. So we'll use a cotton terry pad, apply it, and then see how it goes. All right, let's cut to the chase. So I went ahead and masked off some of the areas where the plastic meets the paint, because the instruction says not to get the substance onto the paint. It could ruin it. Well, not exactly ruin, but it'll just be very hard for you to get it off unless you use Goo Gone or something. I've also placed a blue tape right down the middle so that we can see the difference between no treatment versus the treated side. There are some other spots along the car that I might address as well too, such as this plastic trim right on top. I don't know, I'll see if I have time today, but it looks pretty faded on top here too. Maybe just like a slight rub of the compound on top of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Oh, never mind, that was a lot. But anyways, we'll use all it up. All right, so I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit. And then we'll start rubbing it in. All right, so we'll let that sit for a bit, let it dry, and then we'll start revealing the tape and see if there's a difference between the two sides. All right, so the initial results are amazing. If you can clearly see that this side is a lot darker than this side right here. And this is just after a few minutes of drying, so I'm hoping that it'll last for quite some time before it starts to fade back to this color again. But I have high hopes for this one, so I'll make an update video as to show how much has faded over the next few weeks, and then we'll go from there. But so far I'm very impressed with this product right here. So guys, in conclusion, I would definitely recommend for you guys to use the Meguiar's Ultimate Black on your plastic trims. It's cheap. You can get it at O'Reilly's for about like $9 or so. Apply it on your car, do it every other wash or something like that, and you'll keep your plastic trims looking pretty nice and clean. This looks almost like it's brand new off the dealership. So really happy with the results, and let's apply it to the rest of the area.